Hello students, I am Dr. VP Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College Kannad. Now today's chapter is electrostatics. In electrostatics, the Coulomb's law is most important. Let us consider point charge Q which is at rest with position vector r, and this is called the source charge, and when capital Q is the test charge with position vector r is placed at a distance r away from this, the force is given by the Coulomb's law. Now Coulomb shows experimentally that a force on the point charge q due to the single point charge q at rest is proportional to the product of the charge, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance separating from them. Therefore, this force F is directly proportional to Q into capital Q, that is product of their charges, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. R is the distance, therefore it is R square. Therefore, force acting on this is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught small q into capital Q upon R square dot R, where epsilon naught is called as permittivity of free space and its value is given by 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. R is the unit vector in the direction of R, and R is the separation vector from R to R dash, that is R is equal to R minus R dash. This force is directed from Q to capital Q if the force is repulsive. The charges have same sign, and it is the opposite signs if the force is attractive. Now principles of superposition. Now here are the some charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5 and so on Qn, and capital Q is the test charge. We have to calculate the effect of this Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 on this test charge Q. Therefore, the principle states that the interaction between any two charges is completely unaffected by the presence of other charges. To determine the force on capital Q, that is test charge, we find the force F1 due to Q1 alone. Then we find the force F2 due to Q2. Then F3 due to Q3 and so on. Therefore, the total force F is nothing but it is a vector sum of individual forces. That is, total force is given by contribution of charge q1, that is f1, plus f2 plus f3 plus and so on fn. Because we consider there are n charges, then this force is equal to, now put the value of f1, it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is taking common, then qi q1 into q upon r1 square into r1 plus q2 into q upon r2 square into r2 plus so on, it is qn into q upon rn square dot rn. r1, r2 and so on rn is the distances of the charges q1, q2 and so on qn from, and r1, r2 and so on rn are unit vectors in the direction of r1, r2 and so on rn respectively.